Good morning, children. Today we are going to lesson polynomials of ninth standard. Lesson polynomials. So first of all, as we learn what is polynomial, we have learned it in the last year. What's a polynomial? What is polynomial? A polynomial p of x in one variable x is an algebraic expression in x of the form p of x is equal to an x to the power n, where n is the degree of the polynomial. N is the degree of the polynomial. Plus it keeps on going a to the power n minus 1 x to the power n minus 1. You can look at here. If n, suppose the n is 5, when it goes to next 5 minus 1, it will come 4. So degree will remain the highest power of the particular polynomial. Okay. Plus dot, I'll put the dot, final a1x and a0, where a is the constant. A is the constant and a is also where the coefficient of the x is also the coefficient of x. Let me write an example. P of x is equal to 3x cube plus 4x square plus 6x plus 5. Look at here. What is the degree of this polynomial? This is the polynomial with variable x. So what is the degree of the polynomial? The degree of the polynomial is highest degree we have to search is 3. Suppose if it is given 4x to the power 4, then the degree will change into, the degree is 4, the highest power, I said the highest power, so degree will go to 4. Now degree of the polynomial, the particular given polynomial is 3. So it's not compulsory to write in a y only. In terms of any, let me take as a 3y to the power 4, 4y 1 plus 5. That's it. Even this is a polynomial with the variable y. So what is the degree of this polynomial? The degree of the polynomial, is, what's the degree of the polynomial? What is the highest degree? That is 4. Here the variable is y. The variable is y. Now with this polynomial only, let us take the first example. This is the second. Let me write second. The first example. What is the, in the first example you are talking about the first example, what is the coefficient of x cube? What is the coefficient of x cube? Okay, so what is the answer? Coefficient is nothing but who is with the x cube, or we can call it generally who is the friend of x cube. Can you see over here? X cube is over here, and who is along with the x cube? That is 3. So coefficient of x cube is the 3. The same way, if I ask who is the coefficient of x square, or what is the coefficient of x square? The coefficient of x square is 4. Coefficient of x is 6 in this equation. If I consider the equation 2, what is the coefficient of y to the power 4? That is 3. What is the coefficient of y to the power square? Since we have not written any square terms here, so we have to think what is the coefficient of x, y square. If it is not given, the coefficient of the y square is 0, right? I can write this equation as 3y to the power 4 y to the power cube, that is 0 y to the power cube, plus 0 y to the power square in terms of decreasing order. So 4, 3, 2, and however 1 is given there itself, 4y to the power, and 5. Imagine there is a polynomial p of x is equal to x to the power 4 5x cube. Now what is the degree of this equation, I mean polynomial? The degree of the polynomial is 4. Degree is 4. Now what is the coefficient of x to the power 4? Of course, if it is not given, if any term is not given, any constant is not given, then we would consider as a 1. Okay, it is 1x to the power 4.